Good morning, everyone. Welcome to you all in chemistry class. In ninth class science, there are 15 chapters. Note down chemistry chapter in your chemistry notebook. Start writing. First chapter, matter in our surrounding. Matter in our surrounding. Next chapter लिखिए chemistry का. Is matter around us pure? Is matter around us pure? Third chapter, atoms and molecules. Fourth chapter, structure of atom. There are 4 chapters of chemistry, and in periodic test 1, only one chapter, that is chapter number 1, matter in our surroundings. Next, write down the practical activities of chemistry. First practical activity लिखिए, to find melting point of ice and boiling point of water. Melting point of ice and boiling point of water. ये जो practical activity है, it is in periodic test 1. Now write down the next practical activity. Preparation of true solution of common salt, sugar and alum. Next है suspension of soil, chalk powder and fine sand in H2O. Next लिखिए a colloidal solution of starch in water and milk in water. Then differentiate between these on the basis of transparency, filtration criteria and stability. लिख लिया सबने. Then third practical activity, preparation of mixture and compound by using iron and sulfur and differentiate between these on the basis of appearance, then behavior towards a magnet and behavior towards carbon disulfide as a solvent. Last है effect of heat. Now fourth practical activity लिखिए, separation of components of mixture of sand, common salt and ammonium chloride. Separation of components of mixture of sand, common salt and ammonium chloride. Next practical activity लिखिए, perform the given reaction and then classify into physical or chemical changes. First है iron with copper sulfate solution in water, then burning of magnesium ribbon, zinc with dilute sulfuric acid. Next है heating of copper sulfate crystals, लास्ट में है सोडियम सल्फेट विद बेरियम क्लोराइड, सोडियम सल्फेट with barium chloride in the form of their solution in H2O, in water. Last practical activity लिखिए केमिस्ट्री की, verification of law of conservation of mass, conservation of mass in a chemical reaction, in a chemical reaction. लिख ली सबने प्रैक्टिकल एक्टिविटीज. Each chapter in NCERT has 6 parts. फर्स्ट पार्ट क्या होगा हर चैप्टर में? टेक्स्ट पार्ट. ठीक है. एंड in the middle of the text part for more explanation and understanding you will have activities. इसी पेज पे देखिए एक्टिविटी 1.1, एक्टिविटी 1.2, एक्टिविटी 1.3, 4 एंड 5th. आपने इन सब एक्टिविटीज को जितनी भी चैप्टर में होंगी आपने अच्छे से रीड करनी है, क्योंकि आपको एग्जाम्स में एक्टिविटी बेस्ड क्वेश्चंस जरूर होते हैं. ओके. देन आफ्टर द कंप्लीशन ऑफ मेन टॉपिक, to test what you have learned, there are questions in between the text. These are known as in text questions. And to test what you have learned in the entire chapter, you have exercise at the end of chapter. और चैप्टर की समरी है कहाँ पे? In what you have learned. At the end of the chapter, just before the exercise. Additionally, at the end of first 3 chapters, chapter 1, 2 and 3, there is a small group activity. Okay. This is all about the chapter. Today we are going to start first chapter of science, matter in our surroundings. Surroundings mean area around us. अब मैटर क्या होती है? Anything that occupies space, has mass, and the presence of which can be felt by any one of 5 senses is known as matter. The food we eat, clothes we wear, houses where we live in, paper on which we write, plants, animals, even a drop of water, ये सब क्या है? मैटर. क्यों है? क्योंकि ये स्पेस ऑक्यूपाई करती हैं और उनका मास है. Anything that occupies space and has a mass is known as matter. अब आप पेन से लिख रहे हो, है ना? पेन क्या स्पेस ऑक्यूपाई कर रहा है? यस. क्या उसका मास है? यस. तो ये क्या है? मैटर. ठीक है. आपके पास नोटबुक है, बुक है, ये सब स्पेस ऑक्यूपाई करती है ना, और इनका मास भी होता है. तो ये क्या है? मैटर. जिस टेबल चेयर पे आप बैठे हो वो भी स्पेस ऑक्यूपाई करती हैं, उनका भी मास होता है. ठीक है. और इट मीन्स ये सब क्या है? मैटर. फैन, स्टोन, अ ग्लास ऑफ वाटर, टेबल, चेयर, everything around us that occupies space and has mass is a matter. Anything which is massless, जिसका मास ना हो, ठीक है, और वो स्पेस भी ऑक्यूपाई ना करती हो, तो वो मैटर नहीं होती हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल लव, हेट, ड्रीम्स, थॉट्स एंड मेमोरीज, क्या इनका मास है? क्या ये स्पेस ऑक्यूपाई करती हैं? नहीं. मीन्स ये फिर हमारी मैटर नहीं है. दीज आर नॉट अ एग्जाम्पल ऑफ मैटर. नेक्स्ट इज classification of matter. Indian philosophers classified matter in the form of 5 basic elements. इंडियन फिलोसफर ने मैटर को क्लासिफाई किया 5 बेसिक एलिमेंट्स में. that is known as पांच तत्व. कौन कौन से पांच तत्व है? फायर, स्काई एंड वाटर. Five basic elements. Indian philosopher classified matter in the form of five basic elements, that is panch tattva. And scientists have classified matter into two types on the basis of the properties. Physical classification on the basis of physical properties. And chemical classification on the basis of chemical properties. On the basis of physical properties, metal classified into solid, liquids and gases. And chemical properties के बेस पे matter classified as elements, compounds and mixtures. In this chapter we will discuss the physical classification of matter, और जो chemical classification है that will be discussed in the next chapter. Now, physical nature of matter. There were two views about the nature of matter. Some scientists believed that matter is a continuous like a block of wood, whereas other scientists believed that matter is made up of particles like that of sand. Let us perform one activity to decide the nature of matter. Is it continuous or particulate? Activity 1.1 of NCERT, page number 1. Activity 1.1 of NCERT, page number 1. Take a 100 ml beaker. Fill the beaker with water and mark the level of water. Okay. Take 100 ml beaker. आपने इस बीकर में क्या कर दिया है? फिल कर दिया है वाटर और आपने मार्क कर दिया है लेवल ऑफ वाटर. नाउ dissolve some salt with the help of glass rod. Observe any change in the water level, and what do you think has happened to this salt? In order to answer the questions, we need to use the idea that matter is made up of particles. ये मैटर किस चीज से बने हैं? पार्टिकल्स के, that is atoms and molecules. When common salt is added to water, then the particles of common salt get into the empty spaces between the particles of water. As a result, salt क्या हो जाता है? Dissolve. If small amount of salt is dissolved, क्या water का level up जाएगा? No, the water level does not rise. From this activity, it is clear that the matter is made up of particles. Matter is made up of particles. And particles have space between them. Matter is made up of particles and particles of matter have space between them. क्लियर? अब इसी एक्टिविटी की एक वीडियो देखते हैं.
Take one small beaker. Now pour some water into the beaker. Fill the beaker approximately half. Now use marker and put a mark on the beaker up to the level of water. Then take a spoon full of sugar crystals and drop the sugar crystals into beaker. Sugar crystals cut through the water surface and settle down at the bottom of the beaker. With a glass rod. Look, sugar crystals are disappearing. Now the sugar crystals have completely disappeared. Where did they go? This is the observation which we have in our everyday life. In our homes, we see that the sugar or salt mixed in water will get disappeared. Check the level mark. The level of the water also did not rise. It is the same as it was before mixing the sugar. So what really did happen to the sugar crystals? Let us see the whole process once again at the particle level. When the water is stirred with a spoon or with a glass rod, the sugar crystals get continuously hit by the fast moving water molecules. This makes the sugar crystals break down into smaller and further smaller and even further smaller particles. Eventually, the sugar particles become so small that they become invisible to the human eye. Smaller and lighter sugar particles now experience less gravitational force and thus they get moved and occupy the empty space between water molecules and move along with them. At this level, the sugar crystals stop being visible to our eye, like water particles are not visible. Until now, you must have also understood that water level is not raised because the sugar crystals occupy the already available empty space between the water molecules.
To know how small are these particles, there is an activity 1.2 in NCERT, page number 1. Activity 1.2. Take 2 to 3 crystals of potassium permanganate, इसको हम लाल दवा भी कहते हैं, and dissolve them in 100 ml of water. 100 ml वाटर में हमने क्या डिसॉल्व कर दिया? पोटेशियम परमैंगनेट. पोटेशियम परमैंगनेट, ठीक है, और उसका कलर क्या हो गया? डार्क पर्पल. Take out 10 ml of this solution and put it into 90 ml of clear water. अब हमने क्या किया? 90 ml वाटर लिया और उसमें ये 10 सोल्यूशन ml हमने क्या ऐड कर दिया? पोटेशियम परमैंगनेट का सोल्यूशन. अगेन टेक आउट 10 ml ऑफ दिस सोल्यूशन. अब फिर से आपने इसमें से क्या लिया? 10 ml ऑफ potassium permanganate solution and put it into another 90 ml of clear water. 10 ml of this solution plus 90 ml of water. तो ये क्या हो गया? 100 ml. तो 100 ml में अभी भी कौन सा कलर है? पिंक कलर. ठीक है. Keep diluting the solution like this 5 to 8 times. Is the water still colored? Yes. This experiment shows that just a few crystals of potassium permanganate can color a larger volume of water. It means there are millions of tiny particles in one crystal of potassium permanganate. Million of tiny particles in one crystal of potassium permanganate. which keep on dividing into smaller and smaller particles. आप इस एक्टिविटी को परफॉर्म कर सकते हो बाय यूजिंग डेटोल in place of potassium permanganate, and the smell of Dettol can be detected even on repeated dilution. Okay, it means the matter is made up of very small particle. Matter is made up of very small particles. What we actually see is an aggregate of tiny particles. अब इस एक्टिविटी की भी वीडियो देखते हैं.